Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve a pyraminx. What is a pyraminx? Well, a pyraminx is a type of Rubik's Cube that looks like a pyramid, but it's basically just like the 3x3 but triangle. First step. So you see all of this? This is very confusing, right? Well, the first algorithm I'm going to teach you is this one. You're supposed to take a pyraminx by putting your fingers like this. Your thumbs right here on the front. And yeah, that should be good. First move, second move, reverse first move, and reverse second move. Let's practice that for a bit. Alright, that would be perfect. So the second step would be just straight up look at your pyraminx. What do you see? A triangle. So in here, compared to a 3x3, the centerpieces would be these little triangles. So the second step would be align the triangles right here on the edges with the middle pieces. So you can see they turn just like this. And when aligned, you can see here, yellow, correct, red, correct, and blue, correct. So let's just do it with every piece. Green, blue, red. Red, yellow, green. And yeah, as you can see, every centerpiece is aligned with the edge pieces. So here comes the part 3. We'll be aligning the centerpieces. So here, as you can see, we got yellow, yellow, and red. That is not aligned. Well, then what is aligned? Well, first, here, aligned would be if there would be yellow, yellow, and yellow. So let's try turning this piece to try to get a yellow. Oh, there we have it. So now we got all of the centerpieces aligned. As you can see, you can check all the other sides, but the most necessary one is the yellow. So what should you do now? Try to do just like in a 3x3. If you have a yellow one here and you need to insert it, just use the algorithm I taught you before. But first we have to check if that's the correct one to put it in. We need green, green, and yellow. This is yellow, but this is not green, so that's not the one. We're looking for it, and yeah, it's right here. Green and yellow. So, how do we take it out of here? Just use the algorithm I taught you before. Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, and reverse move 2. So now it's out. Congrats. Now, how do you put it in? The same algorithm I taught you. Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, and reverse move 2. But for you to put it in correctly, it's supposed to be on your right, not on the left. And the yellow piece should be facing you, not the other way. So now let's do that with each one. Here we need red and red. So here it is. Now we turn it so that it's aligned, and move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, and reverse move 2. Perfect. So now we got a side done, and it's correctly done because in here all the colors are perfectly aligned. So there can be different variations of what could happen here. In this case, what do we have? This should be confusing, but we should align the centers. Blue, blue, red, not correct. Green, green, red, not correct. Red, 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 perfect. So, this is the other algorithm you need to learn. If you have these two turned the wrong way, which is not facing you, then what should you do? Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, reverse move 2, and repeat. Now, turn your cube over just like this and do the same first algorithm. And perfect, you're good to go. Now, in case you get something like this, what should you do? Part 1. Turn with your right hand the piece like this. After that, turn the top piece once. Then turn this one back, and the top one like this, and repeat. And perfect, you're good to go. So, what would happen if you get something different? What happens if you get something different of both? Like this. Yeah, it is very confusing. But follow me to solve it. What should we do? Well, here we locate one piece that should be inserted in another place. For example, this piece, green and red, should be inserted in here, green and red. Currently, I'm not talking about this piece. I'm talking where should it be. So how do you do that? Well, first, you turn your cube like this, letting this piece be instead of this one. So now you turn the top and you reinsert it. So now we got it perfectly. What should you do after that? So now you see, you have this piece, and where should you put it? Let's look for it. Blue and red. It should be in blue and red. So now we have to align this piece to change it with the other one that we have right here. This aligned? Yes. So then how should we insert it? We insert it like this. Then we need to have the correct piece in here. Which one is it? Green and blue? No, not that one. Blue and yellow? Yes, perfect. So now you insert it like this. So now you turn this back so you have all the centers aligned. And now, wow, look, what is this? We already know how to solve this. Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, reverse move 2. Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, and reverse move 2. Now turn your cube and continue. Move 1, move 2, reverse move 1, and reverse move 2. Perfect! So now your Pyraminx is fully solved. Congrats! So now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, click the like and subscribe button.